The action camera market has always been a battlefield for innovation, with every new release aiming to outshine its competitors. The recent leak of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has sparked interest and raised the question, is the DJI Osmo Action 5 in trouble? Both cameras cater to the same audience, offering high-end features for action enthusiasts and content creators. With the new details surfacing about Insta360's latest offering, it seems that DJI may have something to worry about. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor. What stands out immediately is the rumored pricing, set at $399.99, which is a bold move considering the price of the competing DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, currently at $449.99. Offering premium features for less could position the Ace Pro 2 as a more enticing option for buyers who are looking to get the most out of their action camera without breaking the bank. Insta360 is also poised to match GoPro's Hero 13 Black in terms of price, potentially creating fierce competition in the market. With a price drop of around 11% compared to the original Ace Pro, the new model could disrupt the landscape by offering cutting-edge features at a lower price point. One of the most exciting improvements for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is the upgraded 50-megapixel 1x1.3-inch sensor, which replaces the 48-megapixel sensor from the previous model. While on paper this might seem like a modest upgrade, action camera enthusiasts know that every extra pixel counts, especially in fast-paced, high-motion footage. The larger sensor promises enhanced clarity, better dynamic range, and improved performance in challenging lighting conditions. The original Ace Pro already delivered stunning image quality, so this bump in sensor resolution is a welcome addition for those looking to capture every detail, whether in extreme sports or landscape videography. With such a powerful sensor at its heart, the Ace Pro 2 is set to compete aggressively with DJI's offering, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the action camera world. Durability has always been a core selling point for Insta360's cameras, and the Ace Pro 2 is no different. With 33 feet of water resistance, it's ready to handle everything from underwater adventures to harsh weather conditions. Add to that the 5 feet of shock resistance, and you've got a camera that can take a beating, perfect for outdoor adventurers and content creators who are constantly pushing their gear to the limit. In comparison, DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro offers similar ruggedness, but Insta360's added focus on durability, combined with its robust design, could sway potential buyers. For those who frequently drop, knock, or scrape their cameras during shoots, having a camera that can withstand the occasional mishap is crucial. Perhaps the most exciting feature rumored for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is its 8K video recording capability, matched with improved AI-enhanced processing. Insta360 has always been at the forefront of AI integration, and with the Ace Pro 2, they're looking to push the envelope even further. The additional AI chip is expected to enhance not just video quality, but also provide smoother stabilization and faster processing. For action enthusiasts, an 8K video means stunning detail even when capturing fast-paced activities like biking, skiing, or off-road adventures. While the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro offers excellent 4K performance, 8K is a whole new level of visual fidelity. This feature alone could make the Ace Pro 2 a preferred choice for professionals or anyone looking to future-proof their gear. Another potential advantage of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 over the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is its rumored improved battery life. The new model is expected to have a thicker build, which could mean a larger battery capable of powering extended shoots. In action photography, battery life is crucial. Nobody wants to be in the middle of capturing a perfect shot only to have their camera die on them. Longer battery life could make the Ace Pro 2 a more reliable companion for long shoots, especially in remote areas where recharging isn't an option. If this feature turns out to be true, it could be a key selling point for adventurers and content creators who spend hours on location. With its upgraded sensor, enhanced durability, 8K video capability, and potentially longer battery life, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is shaping up to be a serious competitor in 2024. Its competitive pricing also makes it an attractive option for buyers considering both the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and GoPro Hero 13 Black. Let's wait till November to see what Insta360 brings us this time. Subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.